Hi everyone, I'm Vishnulekha from grade 10 and I'm here to explain my physics project on the topic refractive index. First, let's see the definition of it. The refractive index or index of refraction of a material that describes how fast light travels through the material. It is defined as n is equal to c by v, where c is the speed of light in vacuum and v is the velocity of light in the medium. For example, the refractive index of water is 1.333, meaning that light travels 1.333 times slower in water than in a vacuum. Now let's see the uses. It is used to measure the concentration of a solute in an aqueous solution. For a solution of sugar, the refractive index can be used to determine the sugar content. The refractive index of a material is the most important property of any optical system that uses refraction. It is also used to calculate the focusing power of lenses and dispersive power of prisms. It is used to identify a particular substance, since refractive index is a fundamental physical property of a substance. Now let's see factors that affect on refractive index. Temperature. At high temperature, we have a smaller value for the refractive index. At low temperature, we have a higher value for refractive index because dense with temperature have an inversely proportional. Wavelength of light. The refractive index varies with wavelength linearly because different wavelengths interfere to different extents with the atoms of the medium. Now let's see different index of refraction for different materials. For vacuum, n is equal to 1. For air, the n is equal to 1.000277. For water, n is equal to 1.333. For ice, n is equal to 1.31. For glass, it's about 1.5. For diamond, n is equal to 2.417. Now let's see an example problem of refractive index. Here in the question, it is given as c, that is speed of light in air is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and the speed of light in the medium is v, that is 1.8 into 10 power meter per second. So here we know the formula as n is equal to c by v. So we are dividing 3.0 into 10 power 8 meter per second divided by 1.8 into 10 power 8 meter per second. That is 1.67, which is the refractive index. Thank you.